Welcome to day 15 of your journey to a healthier you. This meal plan is about making healthy eating enjoyable. It is easy to follow. We will use simple recipes. Get ready for a delicious and nutritious day. We are focusing on whole foods. These provide your body with essential nutrients. Get ready to feel energized and satisfied. Let's make healthy eating a delicious habit. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. This recipe is quick and easy to make. It is perfect for busy mornings. Ingredients: eggs, spinach, cherry tomatoes, salt, pepper. Steps: whisk the eggs in a bowl. Add salt and pepper. Heat oil in a pan. Add the tomatoes. Cook for 2 minutes. Add spinach. Cook until wilted. Pour the eggs into the pan. Stir gently until cooked. This breakfast is a great source of protein. It will keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. This salad is packed with nutrients. It is a light and refreshing lunch option. It is also very versatile. You can use any vegetables you like. Ingredients: cooked quinoa, cucumber, bell pepper, red onion, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper. Steps: combine quinoa, cucumber, bell pepper, and red onion in a bowl. Drizzle lemon juice and olive oil. Add salt and pepper. Toss everything together. Quinoa is a complete protein. It provides all 9 essential amino acids. This salad is a great way to get your daily dose of vegetables. Dinner delight: chicken and vegetable stir-fry. This stir-fry is a quick and easy dinner option. It is packed with flavor and nutrients. You can use any vegetables you have on hand. Ingredients: chicken breast, broccoli florets, carrots, soy sauce, or Henderson's relish, honey, garlic, and ginger. Steps: first, cut the chicken and vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Then, heat oil in a wok or large pan and add the chicken. Stir-fry until cooked through. Next, add the vegetables and stir-fry until they are tender crisp. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce or Henderson's relish, honey, garlic, and ginger. Pour the sauce over the chicken and vegetables and stir-fry until heated through. This stir-fry is a great source of protein and vegetables. It is a healthy and satisfying meal. Smoothie sensation: strawberry banana, bliss. This smoothie is a delicious and refreshing way to end your day. It is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. You can enjoy it for breakfast or as a snack. Ingredients: strawberries, banana, and milk. Steps: combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. Strawberries and bananas are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. They promote overall health and well-being. Nourishment simplified. Congratulations on completing day 15. Have enjoyed delicious meals. Did you find them easy to prepare? This meal plan is meant to provide a balanced intake of nutrients. These are essential for good health. Remember, healthy eating is a journey. Make gradual changes. Choose nutritious foods. Enjoy the process of nourishing your body. Please subscribe.